Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Internet Information Service feature on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Now, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Windows. You will find Windows features on or off. Click on that, and in the list you will find the option that says Internet Information Service. So if you want to enable it, simply check this box, click on apply, or if you don't want it, you can uncheck that. Keep in mind as well that if you want to go in depth into those additional options, you can expand this little plus here towards the left hand side, and you will find FTP server, web management tools, and even the World Wide Web service. So go ahead and choose whichever one you want. If you want to enable individual one, you can do that, or you can go ahead and just check the entire box to ensure that everything is enabled, right? And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Very easy, guys, and very simple. Once you're done, click OK, and that's it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.